A lawsuit challenging Wisconsin's 174-year-old abortion ban had its first hearing today. It's a case that will likely end up in the Wisconsin Supreme Court.
It all started last year when the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, protecting the right to an abortion.
And here's a look at how we got here. In June of last year, Attorney General Josh Kaul and Governor Evers filed a lawsuit against the ban, originally against the Republican-led legislature.
And then in September, Kaul amended it to name the district attorneys in 3 counties where abortions were previously available. D.A. Urmanski, the only Republican of those 3.
In December, Urmanski filed a motion to dismiss the case.
When we fast forward to today, oral arguments in front of a Dane County judge marking the first significant developments in the case. For more, let's go live to the Capitol where Will Keneally is standing by with the latest details. Will?
Eric and Charlotte, this could be our very own Roe v. Wade in the making here as this case got its first hearing in Dane County Court. Now, it's centered around the idea that the 1849 law that prevents women from seeking abortion in Wisconsin here is out of date.
Let's imagine Wisconsin has 2 hypothetical criminal laws. The first says it is illegal for pedestrians to cross the street unless the walk sign is illuminated.
Picture Wisconsin abortion law like a crosswalk. One law says that you have to wait for the sign, but a newer law says that you can enter the street if someone is about to be run over by a car. So which law wins? That's at the heart of the abortion debate in Dane County Court today.
Those 2 laws cannot both be the law of Wisconsin at the same time.
So lawyers for the Democratic Attorney General say the newer law should win out, that the legislature intended to overturn the state's 1849 abortion ban. But some DAs want the power to stay with them, arguing that prosecutors should get to decide which law they want to enforce.
You can have the 20-week ban, you can have the partial birth abortion ban. They're all separate criminal statutes with their own elements, their own penalties.
We don't have a ruling in this case yet. The judge first has to rule on some procedural issues, like whether the Attorney General can bring the case or whether Wisconsin doctors are the ones that have to argue against this in court. But we heard a little bit of where she may stand based on the questions that she posed during the arguments.
Perspective, but from the people of Wisconsin having a right to know what law applies where.
We heard this from the lawyers for Wisconsin doctors as well.
Every physician across the state in every county, they need to know what they can do because they make these decisions not within days or not within hours or within minutes, but within seconds. They have to know what the law allows them to do.
So because we have to work through that procedural hurdle first, that's that standing issue, this could take a long time to work through the court system here in Wisconsin. And that could benefit liberals in this case. They're waiting for August 1st. That's when the state Supreme Court flips their side and could issue a favorable ruling on the issue of abortion here. Reporting from the Capitol, Will Keneally, News 3 Now.